Ever wondered about the murky world of charge-offs? Has the term ever popped up in a late-night financial forum, leaving you scratching your head, or worse, discovered it on your own credit report? Today we'll demystify this financial jargon and journey together into the heart of charge-offs. Charge-offs occur when a creditor decides a debt is not collectible. After trying and failing to get the debtor to pay, the creditor writes it off as a loss. But here's the kicker. It doesn't mean the debt disappears. The debtor still owes the money, and it can have a severe impact on their credit score. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. How does one remove a charge-off from their credit report? First off, review the credit report thoroughly, identify the charge-off and confirm its accuracy. Errors happen, and you might be a victim of one. Next, if the charge-off is valid, reach out to the original creditor. Negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement. This means you pay the debt in exchange for them removing the charge-off from the credit report. Ensure to get this agreement in writing. If negotiation isn't successful, consider hiring a professional credit repair company. They have the expertise to handle these situations and can often produce results more efficiently. Now, what if the charge-off is an error? Dispute it. Write a formal letter to the credit bureau explaining the mistake. Provide any supporting documents. The bureau is legally obliged to investigate and rectify any errors. Lastly, remember, patience is key. Removing a charge-off can take time. It's not an overnight process. So, in summary, removing a charge-off involves a careful examination of the credit report, negotiating with creditors, possibly hiring a credit repair company, and disputing any errors. And most importantly, patience. Charge-offs can be an intimidating term, but with a bit of knowledge and understanding, they become less so. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could mean the difference between a low credit score and a financial fresh start. Remember, financial freedom is within reach. It just takes a bit of navigation. And with this guide, you're well on your way to steering clear of charge-offs. So until next time, keep those financial waters calm and clear.